Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. Whether you need anything big or small done, they'll take care of it at Speedy's. Today on the Roadhouse, during this coronavirus baloney, I'm going to go ahead and start making shelves for my shop. So during this quarantine, I've got some extra wood. Let's get this thing started. I want to thank everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing to the Roadhouse. I appreciate it. All right, this is kind of the plan I'm going to go for. I want it 8 feet long and 6 feet high. I can't go over 6 feet high. My roof braces are about, they're about 6'3" or so. I think 6 foot high would be about as maximum as I want to go anyway. As far as old wood, I've got some new wood that I had left over from another project, some pieces here and there. And this I'll take apart. These actually are 6 foot tall even, so I'll be able to use those as my 4 corners. The boards that I'm doing here, this is 26 inches wide. 8 foot long board there and a 6x6 footer. It's going to be about 8 foot 3 inches long. I wanted every shelf to be at least 15 inches so I could put one of these tubs on it. If I could fill them up with tubs, that's fine. Now, I left room for like a 1/4 inch plywood up here. I don't need very much up on top as far as the weight goes because they're just tubs, and I'll be putting them on the top of this. I'll be putting them on the top of this as well. The bottom I would like to keep for motors, and how I'm going to show you how I did this. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. I did it to where you could lift these up inside the frame and then just screw it in where you want it. So I can change these. I'll be eating up the wood a little bit, but I can change them as I go along. So I thought that was a good way to make it. The rollers are on. Okay, as you can see, I did it at 15 inches again for this as well. I can still fit a 1/4 inch plywood across the shelf and it'll still fit underneath there. The bottom one, I've only put 1 screw in each side on each corner here in until I can figure out if this is going to be enough room here for my motors. Moving it out of the shop to put some black paint on it to make it match. I had no idea it was going to turn out this good. Every shelf here and here are 15 inches so I can fit those tubs. The bottom shelf is about 21 inches or so. This really cleaned up my shop. Now I will come back and paint up underneath here. Didn't think it was going to show as much as it did. I built this while everybody's on quarantine around the dang US and can't get out very much. I just used wood that I already had. Now, as you can tell, the bottom shelf is probably done. It's got some tongue and groove wood that I had shelves on. This right here is some flooring that I had that was extra, and as you can see, it didn't have enough. What I'm going to do with that is I'm just going to leave it like that for now, and I'll switch it out when I get some 1/4 inch plywood. The reason why I'm going to switch it out is because this is thicker, 3/4 inch, and I can't get my tubs on it. So I'm just going to use it for like a desktop right now, I guess, and not worry about it. Same thing goes for up here. Alex didn't help me diddly on this project, but thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. The Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. If you need anything powder coated, let us know.